This is a quick overview of the Newcomb RT28B record player turntable. A few of the issues. Looks like there's something broken off here where the arm rests. The platter has actually come unglued, but it works. Got him on 45. There you go.